Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. After the tremendous response to Adobe Animate tutorials, we are coming up with Adobe Photoshop tutorials. This is our first tutorial. Introduction to Photoshop. At the end of this tutorial we will see what is raster and vector. Open the software. First we have to define our document size. We can customize our document through all these properties. Here we have some presets for all categories. Create a new document. This is our workspace. You can see menu bar, toolbar, gradient, and layer box. There are multiple properties for each tool. You can see them by selecting any tool. Here in the windows we have default workspace saved. There are different workspace options. But you can create your own workspace and name it. Now let's understand difference between raster and vector. Open an image. To have that image at workspace, using Move tool drag the image to the document. Raster graphics are heavy in sizes. Raster is made up of pixels. It loses its quality when scaled. Raster cannot be converted to vector. Now let's see what is pixel. Scale up the image using Zoom tool. You can see the small squares, these are called as pixels. Vectors are made up of various shapes. There are no pixels in a vector file. It can recalibrates to any size. You can scale a vector image up or down without affecting its quality. Hope you found this tutorial video helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.